That shiny Mercedes in your driveway can either become your proud half-million-mile hero or a money pit that eats your wallet alive. The difference isn't luck, it's daily habits. Follow these smart moves, and your car could outlive your neighbor's 3 SUVs. Let's jump straight into the 17 habits that keep Mercedes engines running forever. Habit 1. Change oil. Early, not late. Ignore super long oil intervals. Change oil every 5,000 miles using Mercedes-approved synthetic oil. Clean oil keeps engine parts happy and prevents sludge that leads to huge repair bills. Habit 2. Replace the PCV valve on time. This small valve controls engine pressure. When it fails, leaks start everywhere. Replace or inspect it around 60,000 miles to keep seals and gaskets safe. Habit 3. Refresh the cooling system early. Water pumps and hoses wear out. Replace cooling parts before 100,000 miles so your engine never overheats. Overheating can destroy an engine in minutes. Habit 4. Don't believe. Lifetime fluid claims. Transmission and differential fluids don't last forever. Change them regularly. Fresh fluid costs little compared to replacing an entire gearbox later. Habit 5. Check balance shaft on certain engines. Owners of M272 or M273 engines should inspect balance shaft parts early. Fixing it before failure saves the engine from serious damage. Habit 6. Take care of air suspension. If your Mercedes has air suspension, keep filters clean and move the suspension regularly. This prevents expensive compressor and strut failures. Habit 7. Watch the SBC brake system. Some older models use an electronic brake system that wears out. Checking and replacing parts early keeps braking safe and avoids surprise repair costs. Habit 8. Use quality DEF in diesel models. Diesel models need clean DEF fluid. Never let it run empty, and use good quality fluid to protect the emission system. Habit 9. Replace engine and transmission mounts. Old mounts cause vibrations that damage other parts. Changing them around 80,000 to 100,000 miles keeps everything smooth and prevents extra repairs. Habit 10. Clean carbon in direct injection engines. Carbon buildup steals power and fuel economy. Cleaning intake valves every 40,000 to 60,000 miles keeps performance strong and avoids engine trouble. Habit 11. Replace fuel pump before failure. A failing pump can spread metal particles through the fuel system. Replacing it around 100,000 miles prevents massive fuel system damage. Habit 12. Follow severe service maintenance. Short trips, traffic, and hot weather count as severe driving. Service your car more often than the basic schedule to avoid hidden wear. Habit 13. Own a good diagnostic scanner. A scanner shows problems before warning lights appear. Catching issues early saves money and avoids surprise breakdowns. Habit 14. Protect the electrical system. Use the correct battery, replace it every few years, and keep terminals clean. Stable power keeps expensive electronics safe. Habit 15. Wash the undercarriage. Road dirt and salt cause rust underneath. Washing the bottom of the car regularly protects brake lines and the frame. Habit 16. Think like an engineer. Treat maintenance as an investment, not an expense. Fix small problems early, use quality parts, and never ignore strange noises. But habit 17. Keep a maintenance log. Write down every service and repair. It helps diagnose problems, improves resale value, and proves the car was cared for properly. Follow these habits, and your Mercedes won't just look premium, it will live premium, cruising past 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles, while others give up early. A well-maintained Mercedes isn't expensive, neglect is. If you enjoyed this guide and want more smart car tips that save money and headaches, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update. See you in the next video.